In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a VAT number on your Shopify store. Setting up VAT correctly is important for tax compliance, especially if you sell products or digital goods internationally. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains all the important configuration options for your Shopify store. Next, click on Taxes and Duties. Inside this section, Shopify allows you to manage tax collection settings, regional tax rules, and VAT configurations. Now locate the tax region or country where you need to collect VAT. You may see options related to the European Union or digital goods tax settings depending on your store setup. Next, look for the option to collect VAT or manage VAT registrations. Here, you can enter your business VAT number. Type your VAT number carefully and double-check it for accuracy before continuing. If you sell digital products in the EU, you may also see an option labeled Charge VAT on Digital Goods. Enable this option if it applies to your business. This setting helps Shopify automatically calculate and apply VAT to eligible digital product sales. After entering your VAT information and adjusting the necessary tax settings, click Save. Your Shopify store will now use the VAT configuration for applicable transactions and tax calculations. It's always a good idea to review your invoices and check out settings afterward to make sure VAT is being applied correctly. Keeping your tax information updated can help your business stay compliant with regional tax regulations and improve customer trust. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a VAT number on Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.